Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the currency displayed on Etsy. If you'd like to view product prices in a different currency while browsing Etsy, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process. First, open your web browser and go to Etsy.com. Once the site loads, click on the profile icon at the top and sign into your account. After signing in, click the profile icon again and go to Account Settings. In Account Settings, scroll down until you find the Currency section. You'll also see the option to change your region or country here. Click on Currency, then select your preferred currency from the list. Once you've made your selection, click Save Changes. Now, all product prices on Etsy will be displayed in your chosen currency. For example, if you selected GBP, prices will now appear in pounds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.